Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at the case for the Pixel 4 XL. Yes, I know some of you still have that device, so going to look at this case. It's made by ESR. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as I mentioned, this case is made by ESR. It's the Air Armor Clear case for the Pixel 4 XL, shock absorbing, scratch resistant, military grade protection, hard PC on the back, flexible TPU frame for the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now, you know, the Google Pixel 4 didn't have a lot of cases come out for it. A lot of the manufacturers didn't make the best cases for it, so it's hard to find a good one. And so I haven't given up on the device, and every now and then I still want to find a good case that works on it. Here's some pictures of this one right here. Crystal clear. It's got a kind of a smoke border around this one. $9.98, $9.99, under 10 bucks. So it's a good price. Reinforced corners right there. So I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here's the case. Comes in a nice little box, ESR protective case right there. A little bit of information on the back, 100% guarantee. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here's the case. As you can see, it's got a hard TPU back, smoked sides, and so you're going to be able to still see the case, the phone relatively well. You got an opening for your speaker right here, charging port, another opening for the mic over there, and you got the reinforced corners right there. You can see that. It's pretty good. And you got a little opening for the mic right there. And you got your volume down rocker and your power button right there. And the camera is pretty, it's raised up so to be protected. And let me see, you don't have any feet on the back, but the camera is raised up so it'll be protected there. A little bit of a feet on the, so it is raised up a little bit right there. You can see that. Right over here, it raises up a little bit, real subtle. The lip is kind of curved a little bit. It will come above the device, so we're going to take a look at this and put it on the device. All right. Okay, here's the Pixel 4 XL. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case. Let's put the bottom in first. So it fits pretty snug. It's not real tight, but it fits snug. It's not moving around or anything when I squeeze it, so that's good. See the bottom right there. Everything lines up. You got the speaker, the charging port, and you got another opening for this grill over here. I don't think that speaker, that's a good speaker. You got your, I don't see any branding on this, but you see the corners right there, reinforced corner, but it's still relatively slim on the side, so I like that. And you got your power button and your volume down rocker. You can see the orange button right there. I like that right there. It's a nice touch. And you got your opening for your mic right there. The camera is well protected, as you can see, no problems there, so you're gonna be fine. I like this. And you got a little insert, gray insert on the back to kind of have a little accent around there. You can see the G right there for the Google. This is a nice looking case. I would recommend this if you want something with good protection, but not too bulky, but it's gonna protect your device pretty good and have a slim profile. Now the front glass, as you can see, this is raised up a little bit, so you're gonna have protection there. That's not gonna be a problem. The power button works well, no problem there. So it's pretty good. Now we're going to check out wireless charge on this device. Okay, we're going to check out wireless charge and see what happens. Picked it up real quick, no problem. So it's going to charge with the case. No problem there. Okay, so that was a quick look at the ESR Armor case for the Pixel 4 XL, the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now, if you liked this case, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, hit me in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.